Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I have this glitter cut crease I created using the Dark Magic palette from Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. And if you like it, then please keep watching. So first I'm going to go with the black shade and I'm going to place it where I'm going to be cutting the crease. And I'm using a small crease brush from Makeup Geek. Today I'll be going for more rounded shapes, so that's how I'm going to pack my eyeshadow. If you do your face makeup first, make sure to put some setting powder underneath your eye. That will help you to get rid of any fallout. Using the same brush, I'm placing that black shade on my lower lash line as well. Next, I'll be going with the shade Busted, which is a dark blue eyeshadow. And I'm using a small blending brush. This one is Morphe 506, and I'm just blending out the edges of the black color. I like to make sure to connect my lower lash line to the same colors on the lid. For this look, I like my lower lash line to be really smoky, so I'm going to go with a little bit more of the black eyeshadow and then blend it out. Next, I'm going to be using this light transition shade and soften the edges of the blue color so it doesn't look harsh. And you can do that with any eyeshadow. Whenever you feel like you need a lighter shade of the same color, you can just use a light eyeshadow like this or your translucent powder and it's gonna look just fine. To cut the crease, I'm using my Born This Way concealer from Too Faced and Anastasia number 18 concealer brush. If you guys looking for a good cut crease brush, this one is my favorite. Once I got it, I stopped using everything else. Here, I forgot to show you the palette, but I'm going with the silver shade and I'm just placing it on top of my concealer. I'm using a pointed crease brush to make sure no shimmer transferred above my crease. I'm gonna go with a little bit of the shade Busted and blend it into that shimmer. Next, I'm gonna go with my Maybelline gel liner in the shade Charcoal. This one is not black, so I thought it would be perfect for this look, and I'm using Sephora angled liner brush. As you can see, I'm making that line a lot thicker towards the outer corner, so it looks blended into the eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna go with my Heavy Metal eyeliner from Urban Decay in the shade Glam Rock, and I'm placing it on top of the silver eyeshadow. If you place some above your crease or on your eyeliner by accident, just wait for it to completely dry and then use a stiff brush, it will easily come off. I'm placing some gel liner underneath my lashes and on my waterline as well. To highlight, I used my Ride or Die palette from Violet Voss and the shade Fiona because there was no highlighting shade in this palette. Finally, I'm gonna put some mascara on, lashes, and our look is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye!